Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to copy Soundtrap Project. Here are the detailed steps on how to copy your project on the Soundtrap web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and navigate to the Soundtrap web app at soundtrap.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. Now from the home page, locate the projects window, which is in the middle of the screen, where we have here. So if you browse through the list of your project displayed in the projects window, you will see that once you click on the three dots menu right next to any of the projects, there is no option for you to copy directly. All right. But here is how you can tweak it to make it to copy or to duplicate your file or your project on Soundtrap. So the first step is to locate the project that you want from the recent and click on Studio to open its settings right in the studio. So we're going to get into the studio quickly. So I'm going to show you two alternative steps that you can take to achieve the duplicate or to achieve the copying of a project. The first thing you like to do, let's say this is a project you're working on, and I'm going to just delete this. Sorry. So this is a track you're working on, and you want to duplicate this track, or you want to copy this track. What you're gonna have to do is to click on this three dots menu right next to the project, and you find a couple of options. There you have rename, you have duplicate track, you have delete track, and of course you have freeze track, you have import and export. So go ahead and click on duplicate track, and you see that this track will be duplicated. So you can go ahead and delete it from here, or now that you've duplicated, you can edit this separately as well as edit this separately. So after duplicating, you can just go ahead and delete the previous by clicking on the three dots and clicking on delete track so you can work on the new one. Now, the next step, which is the second step on how to navigate the copying or the duplication of tracks, is to actually import and export. So let's say you're done with this track and you're done with all of the editing, the settings, and you're satisfied with the result. Go ahead and click on export, and once you click on export, choose any of the file formats to download. Let's say MP3 in this sense. So after you have downloaded it, the next thing you like to do is to come over to, after you've exported and downloaded, you can now come over to this window again. Go ahead and click on file, and once you click on file, click on import. Now you can click on import to track, and once you click on import to track, it will take you to your systems folder. In your systems folder, go ahead and select the track that you want to, and click on open, that you want to import, and click on open. And once you click on open, that exported track that you have on your system will be right here, will be imported, and it will be back into the studio as a duplicate. So those are the two alternatives that you can take to copy or duplicate your project on Soundtrap. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope in this tutorial marvelously helped you search.